welcome back to my vlog! Today, we were going to Lowe's. Lowe's? Am I correct? So, ngayon, bibili kami ng aming mailbox dahil ang aming mailbox is laging nauulanan. So, bibili kami na Lowe's. Kasi yung Lowe's is para siyang bilihan ng mga furniture, yung mga gamit sa bahay, yung mga marami mga plants din, meron din doon. Ipapakita ko sa inyo later. Masyado tayong energetic yun, kasi kakatapos lang namin kumain at ang aming ulam is nilagang baka na may sahog ng patatas at saka pechay bagyo. So, ayan. Makakagala na naman tayo, mga kachupa! So, excited na ako. Oras ngayon dito is 1:36 na ng hapon.
I'm gonna take the old car. I'm gonna park my car in the garage.
So, gagamitin namin yung old car. Bigoy, hindi.
Almost forgot. I'm there.
Oh, I forgot my sunglasses. I'm gonna make... Where are my sunglasses? Here.
She's on the table.
Sakay lang. Ay, Nick ah.
What?
Nick is here.
Oh, is it? Oh, you're back just in time. We're going now. We'll be back.
So, punta mo na kami. So, gagamitin namin itong old na car niya kasi laging naka-stock. So, ayan muna yung gagamitin namin. Ipapasok niya itong bagong niyang car dito sa loob. So, favorite niya talaga yung kulay gray. Ano? So, ipakita ko sa inyo mga kachupa yung aming mailbox. Kasi yung aming mailbox. Lagi ako nabubuloy. Ano, tag dito. Nababasa. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, nababasa siya pagka umuulan dyan. Diretso siya dito. So, nababasa. Pumapasok yung tubig dito sa aming tapos, nababasa yung mga papel. So, ang gagawin namin is, bibili kami ng mailbox. Lalagyan namin siya doon sa tabi ng ano. Tapos, hindi siya uulanin. Diba? Bongga. Ay, nakalabas na yata yung aking asawa. So, ayan na. So, ayan yung aming neighbor. Medyo malinis. Pasensya na po. So, gagawin na kami mga kachupa. Tatakot ako dito. Shake lang. We don't drive so fast because this car makes me crazy.
Be okay, don't worry. We are okay, A-okay.
So, gagawin sa amin. Ganda ang panahon ngayon. Very good weather. Bumalik kami sa bahay dahil may nakalimutan siyang i-measure. Kasi kami ng pantakip sa AC namin. Ayun yung AC namin, yung kulay gray dyan sa labas. Bibili siya ng pantakip dahil walang takip pagka umuulan, nauulanan. So, i-measure niya lang para tama yung kukuhain namin size. Diba? Ganun pala yun, no? Alam mo, napakaalaga ng aking asawa sa pagdating sa gamit. It's turned down. It shut down.
Oh, what happened?
I don't know. Maybe there's no gas. There's no gas?
No, there's fuel.
But why? It's shut down.
I don't know. 29 by 29.
Takot ako. Baka mamaya umandar to na mag-isa. Ito yung lumang sasakyan nila. No? Nakakabilib lang kasi sa sobrang tagal na ng mga gamit na ganito, meron siya. Tsaka parang maingat pa. Tsaka maayos pa. Kaya lang, ito lang kasi yung sira. Yung upuan, yung leather. Pero okay pa siya. Natakbo siya. Magandang takbo.
It shouldn't have shut up by itself.
Are you done?
Yep.
What size?
29 by 29.
Mamaya magja-jogging kami kasi kahapon nagbike kami sa mga dito kasi yung mga daanan nila may mga paganon, pataas, may pababa. Pagka nagbabike kami ng pataas, ay naku ang hirap iakit ng bike. Kaya naglalakad kami. Kaya kahapon todo exercise ako. Todo ewan ko bakit. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Ay hindi ko lang alam kung paano. Baka another video na yun.
Now we can go.
Kasi later magja-jogging nga kami. Kasi yung asawa ko maaga na naman.
Where do you want to go jogging? Red Arrow?
Yeah, yeah. I like it. Parang kasing tabak na ako ng asawa ko. Dati ang late ko lang. Kaya kailangan ko rin talaga magpapaya. Gora na tayo sa Laos. Ulit-ulit pa ako ng Laos. Ulit-ulit ka. Tigas ng dila mo. Nandito na tayo sa Laos. So, nandito na tayo. Ano yung flowers, Bio? This the sunflowers.
Nice. Well, summer. Fall starts in 2 weeks, so it's still summer, technically.
Nakita niyo sa access. Bio, I like this one.
I like that bigger house, yeah.
So, ito po yung Lowe's dito. Mga ay, para saan to? Ay, ito naman yung pang sa roller ng pintura. Tapos, ito naman yung hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dyan. So, bibili rin kami ng ganito. Ay, ang ganda naman. Ayan, dito na kami sa mailbox. Ito lang. It is the only, ayan o, white. Why black? Okay, so get this one. It's a plastic one. 23. Ito sana, maganda sana to. Kaya lang, kadumihin lang. What?
If you have mail for the mom and the pickup, then you do it like this.
Ah.
That means pick up.
Is this?
That means nothing to pick up, they're just dropping it off.
Ah. Hero. This one is much expensive because it's metal.
Metal is actually not that great. Rough.
Sorry,
Plastic is pretty best.
You can get plastic then.
Cheaper ones.
I think this one. Hero. Oh.
The Hampton mailbox and post kit.
They have already the...
This is just the post, I think.
Oh, this is the...
They have the box with it too.
I think they have a box already. Should try check it.
Mailbox and post kit.
See?
Yeah, with newspaper port. It's $70.
Oh, so expensive. $70.
What else? This one has...
This one is $49. Ah, they have here the wood.
$50. You just need something basic.
That one is basic.
I think I'm just gonna get this one.
Is that a metal?
Yeah.
Oh.
We'll see how it works out. Maybe this one will be a little bit better than the one I have now. Because the one I have now, it's my mail always get wet.
How much is that?
$50.
What is the difference between this one and this one?
This one here, this one's bigger.
Oh.
8.9 inches. This one, it doesn't say, but I think they're the same, are they?
Not. It's
No,
not.
they're not. 8.9 inches, 6.9 inches across. Where's the measurement for this one? It looks the same. It says medium capacity. This is Gibraltar. Oh, it's just a different brand. Architectural large mail.
So, ayan. Kasi yung aming mailbox nga, diba, nababasa. So, diba? Importante kasi sa kanila yun kasi nga dun nilalagay yung resibo ng mga mga bill ng kuryente, yung mailbox namin. Importante rin na bawal mabasa dito. So, ang ganyan. Kaya importante rin bumili ng mailbox dito. Sa atin, ako, kakatok lang, diba? Kaya lang kasi dito sa ano to? Ay, ito yung nilalagay sa door. Diba? Ito yung nilalagay sa door. So, ayan. Binili na ng asawa. Let's go back here. I'm gonna buy a rope. Battery. Dami na naman binili. Kahit hindi naman importante. No?
Rope? What kind of rope?
For my plants.
For your plants?
To hang.
To hang your plants?
I saw in Tinder.
Show me what kind of rope.
Kasi kailangan ko ng rope para meron din akong ng plants. Not that one. I think something like this. Maybe as...
Like this? You already have something like this. Why don't you just use it?
A little bit thicker.
A little bit thicker?
Something like this wheel. I'll show it to you.
I have something kind of like this at work.
Oh, your work?
Yeah.
Maybe like this. Something like this.
This?
You have something that your workplace?
No. We have the one we have. It's kind of like this, but we don't use it anymore. We used to use it. We used to use it for tying like laminate when we roll it up.
Maybe like this.
Like this one?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure it's good for hanging plants?
Yeah, and then I'm gonna change the one that you put in the lighthouse.
Well, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna change
You wanna tie it?
Yeah.
What else are you gonna use it for?
plants. Hang to put my plants.
This is 7 by 50 foot. So it's about 50 foot. So $6. Okay.
The hook, B.
Huh?
Hook.
What?
Ah, here. I saw it here. Something like this, oh.
Like the one I have?
Yeah.
I think I have one like that inside a house somewhere. I just don't remember.
I can't
where
see.
it is. I have an extra one. But we could just buy it. I'm not gonna waste my time looking for it. It's probably not here. It's in a different section. I know which one you're talking about.
The hook?
Like hanging hooks.
Yeah.
It's not here. I'll find it. It's in a different section.
This is one not only I need, though. 30 pieces already. That's the only thing I need. I don't need so big.
Where's this?
No.
So it's about $6.
So may malaki silang mga ganyan, no?
You only need one?
Yeah. No. I only need all of it. So if I need
Well, I don't want
something,
hooks all over the place.
I'm gonna need it. Please, on my garden too.
I know you want it, but I don't want it.
On my
What
garden.
are you gonna do in your garden?
On the plants.
Oh, like this here. This is the one that you need.
Is that a metal?
Yeah, they're all metal.
No, this is the one I need. I like the white one, so it's much the wall.
One that has a little bit style.
Style. I don't need a style.
Like this has style, but let's see what else they have.
So, ito nga pala ang pepper spray. Ito, I like this one. And then accidentally spray on your face, eh, no?
Because you forgot that it's not your perfume.
Ganda ng mga ilaw nila rito. Maganda rin yung price. Merong, ay, ang ganda ng ceiling. That's what I like, to have aesthetic garden. There you go.
Yeah, but we're not going outside at night, so it really doesn't matter.
$19 only.
13-foot LED clear cafe lights.
That was so beautiful. It's like a light. It's like a candle.
Yeah. We'll do Christmas lights during Christmas, but no, we didn't need that. If we have that running outside all day long, the electric bill is gonna double just for that. So, probably not. And plus, you would have to unplug it during the day. So.
It's not LED.
No, it's not LED. That's just standard. They don't last very long either. Maybe just a year and then they burn out.
I like this one too. This one, I think this one is LED. Oh no.
I don't know.
This is the light I like, oh. That's the color of the light I like. What's that color? Is that yellow?
No.
That's not yellow,
That's
right?
a cool white.
That's what I want.
That's cool. That's kind of a cool white. That's like a warm yellow.
Warm yellow.
But we don't need any.
No, I mean change it to warm.
This?
Yeah.
This is kind of like this.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, this is not light. This is not blue like that. That's
Okay.
the one you currently have.
Okay.
Let's go. Find the AC cover. And we're going to get batteries for next remote.
Ivy, so beautiful. Look. What is this?
It's a flamingo.
Light?
I'm not sure what it is. Maybe it's...
But I need the candle, Like that, candle light.
Oh yeah, we need the little candle light for
Yeah.
lighthouse, but we'll find it.
Okay. Ang ganda.
A little small one that uses batteries.
Ito yung plants na gusto ko, mga kachupa. This one. That's the one I want.
Where are you gonna put that?
In the living room.
50 bucks. Bet you get it if you use your money.
Oh, maybe next time. This one is fake plants, right?
Yeah, just cosmetic.
Ang ganda rin ito. Ay, ang ganda. What is that?
There?
Washing.
Dishwasher.
Dishwasher. How to open it?
And then you load the dish up in there, and then you just close it, and then
So
turns on.
beautiful.
It has all the remote there.
Ang ganda.
These days, they have dishwashers for people that don't wash dishes. It washes all by itself. It's like washing clothes.
Ito bill washing. Ang mahal ng washing bill.
Wash it right.
How to open? Can open it. Ay. Bangmag talaga ako yun. Ang ganda.
That's a dryer.
Baby, I cannot close anymore. It's so expensive.
Yeah, it is. So it's about $1,000 to get both. So it's like 500, almost 500. So after tax, it's about $1,000.
Yeah. So where we're gonna find the cover for the... Ang ganda rin na ito. Ayun yung gusto ko guys, oh. Carpet. Ay, may table top din sila. Tingnan nga natin. Maganda to. Ah, ang ganda niya. May mga bato pala pang ano. Pang apoy. Ayan o, lava rock. Taray, may mga ganyan pala. Ito mga blue fire glass. Oh, ang ganda. Pang shasha.
Yeah, they got them online there, but not here in the store.
Ito rin o.
Except for Erica? Yeah, we do.
So may Halloween din sila rito. Tari. Maybe I think it's in Halloween because it's a candle.
Look. No.
Tignan natin. Para yung may pakakata. Lalo na yun. Umagalaw. Oh my God. Nakakatakot. No! That was crazy. Gusto ko bumili nito. Plastic lang siya, oh. Ah, pwede, ano, lalagyan mo siya ng ilaw. Sinasaksak pala siya. Ano, cute. It's not there. You're so funny. You're crazy. Paano yan crazy? Ah, ang ganda naman. Ito ba pang aesthetic? Aesthetic. I like that. Ang ganda. Diba? Ito, Ang aesthetic siya. Ay, bongga yun. Ang ganda. Ang dahil kong magagustong lake dito. No, did you find it? Maybe it's not here. Check natin dito. Baka nandito yung kandilang hinahanap na. Wala eh. Baka wala rito.
I just need a pack that has maybe 2 of them in there, small pack. Because for $15, it's pretty expensive.
Oh. Kasi kailangan namin ng gantong battery para sa remote ng garage. Diba? Okay. Let's go to Menards. So, punta kami sa Menards kasi yung iba rito wala silang dito. Wala yung mga hinahanap namin. Then you found out there's a people in there. Loka rin eh, no? Inurong, tas may tao pala sa taas, no? You can check out.
So you want to look over at Menards?
Yeah, we can buy this one.
You're okay with these?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is this a real plant?
No, they're all fake.
It is real plants, B.
Is it?
Yeah.
Looks fake to me.
It is real. Live.
Okay. Alright, let's go.
So, eto na. Ito yung mga plants dito. Ito yung gusto kong bilhin din, oh. One of my favorite. Kaya lang. Ay, ito rin. Ang ganda. Ito rin lang cute. Peperomia. Ang ganda nyo. Check ko lang dito yung mga lamp. Kasi bumili kami ng lamp sa ano eh. Okay. Mas maganda pala yung kinuha namin. So, nagke-check out na yung aking asawa. Ang ganda naman na ito. Ang ganda, no? Polo cars. $6 isa. So, pauwi na kami. Ay, hindi. Pupunta pala kami sa Menards. Kasi yung ibang wala dun sa Lowe's. Wala siya. Ay, malaki din pala yung aming compartment. Is it open? So, pumunta muna kaming Menards. Magkatabi lang naman siya. Kaya lang, kailangan mo pang pumunta doon para mamaya hindi ka na maglakad. Kasi medyo malaki rin. Parang isang tawid. TJ Maxx, Lowe's, tapos isang tawid ng Menards na. Diba? Magkakatabi lang sila. Let's go. So, ayun po yung Menards. Yan. Yan. Menards. Yan. Isang tawid ng malaking highway. Kasi yung Lowe's na doon. Tapos isang tawid ng malaking highway. So, hindi mo siya pwedeng lakarin, no? Parang nagutom ako bigla. Wala kaming Menards. Dito na tayo sa Menards. Kaya saan pupuntahin? Yan. Dito na kami sa Menards. Tignan natin kung ano mas maganda. Lowe's o Menards. Diba? Sabi ng asawa ko, medyo lang daw siya. Parehas lang. We didn't go here yet.
I think we did.
Is it? You forgot to get the card.
You don't need them. You just don't remember.
Wow.
Under your purse.
Maybe it's in here. Ay, ang ganda. Ang linis dito. Here.
Flameless flickering. 3-pack flameless LED candle lights.
Not?
We don't need this whole thing. They just need this. Yeah, they just need that. That's not quite it. It's close.
Kami ng mga ganito para ilagay dun sa kids bedroom. Bathroom pala, hindi bedroom. Ang ganda. Ay! Ang ganda naman na itong double top. Ayan o. Diba? Ito, titingin kami ng ganito kasi yung lababo ng ng kids, walang cabinet. So, kailangan namin bumili ng ganito. Ito rin ang ganda. Aesthetic. Aesthetic na naman. I just need a small one.
Yeah, I want something like this one that has like a cabinet in there. So I'm going to replace it because the one that we have, it's not that good.
This one looks better. Ay, pepe
But
ka.
I need a small one that will fit.
Hindi naman na ito.
I want something that's basic.
This one is basic.
Something small. These are too big.
That one.
Yes.
How much is that?
This is $139.
Cute. So small.
This is really decent.
Yeah. I think the one that you see there is good.
That's all that they've done.
Diba?
This one looks good too, but this is too big. It's not going to fit in there.
Yeah. This one, no? It's not fit.
Maybe. But I think this one suits better because this one is similar to the one that I have too. But I don't think this is real granite. This isn't real granite. This is just plastic. So it's about $115. That's actually not that bad.
It's only 99, isn't it?
Yeah, but I don't like this. I like the ones with the hot and the cold and you can adjust it, right? These I don't like as much because they get very dirty in here. I like it when it has it like this.
Okay.
So it's not so dirty.
Get this one. It's so cute, oh. I like this one. Very aesthetic. Diba?
This one's okay. I just don't like this.
It was cute.
Maybe later in the future, just not right now.
Yeah. Taray. Meron din sila pang Halloween dito. Ang laki. I'm gonna check here. I'll check here, the candle. Ito, may mga candle. Kaya lang yung kasi yung hinahanap namin, yung may ilaw. Wala kasi rito yun. Alam ko nandito lang yun. Wala, ang cute naman. Ang cute naman na ito.
Like these Halloween houses.
So cute. Ang cute naman. Hindi ko nakita to sa Ay, ang ganda na ito. No? Kakatakot nga lang. Hindi na nabili yung mga hinahanap namin. All this. I'm gonna rest a little bit.
Tired?
Ah, it's so comfy. Very comfy, babe. We should buy this one.
$350.
If I get pregnant,
Maybe so.
Ganda. It's very comfy now. I found it. It's in there. There you go.
Hey, there you go. I think that's it.
Kita na namin mga kachupa. Ayan.
Kachupas.
Tea lights ang tawag. Pero I wanna buy something like this eh.
Yeah, I think this is the right size. No, I think we need something smaller. This is all that they have. So I guess just the small ones.
Yeah.
Tea lights, 4-pack, soft glow flicker.
They have a battery already.
Not sure. LED, everlasting glow.
Check if there's a battery.
CR 2032 batteries required. Included. Oh, it's included already. So they already have batteries.
Okay, that's good then. Ano, makachupa ang ganda. No? What?
This one is a set of 12. It's $10, and it has 12 batteries included.
Okay.
And so, because it's only a little bit more, this is $7. You only get 4. Ours, the batteries are included too, but you only get 4 batteries.
Okay.
Maybe we should get this.
Why?
Because this has a timer, 5-hour timer. This one doesn't have a timer, so you always have to turn it off.
Okay.
So this one, when you set the timer, it'll shut off by itself after 5 hours.
There's a timer in there?
Well, that's what they say. I didn't. Maybe there's a way to set it here by pushing a button. But this one here doesn't. So let's see here.
Yeah, malinis siya. Hindi tulad sa Menards. Ay, sa Lowe's. Kasi sa Lowe's, medyo dark. Dito kasi medyo maliwanag. Di ba? Ang ganda dito. Parang ang ganda rin itong cake plants. Ito, pangarap ko magkaroon ng ganito sa aming garden. Di ba? Ang ganda. Magkano kaya? Ay, $449. Isa lang yun ha. Ito lang yun. Pero pagka ito binili mo pa, 300. Medyo mahal tayo guys. Hindi na natin afford.
Yeah, we'll get this one. This one has an automatic shut on, shut off.
Okay.
So it'll go on for 5 hours. It'll shut off and it'll come back on.
I didn't know that Menards have candies, some foods. Ayan o, may mga drinks pa o. Parang ano rin pala to. Grocery. Taray.
Well, it's not a complete grocery store, but they have other stuff too.
Yeah. So, mas maganda pala yung Menards kaysa sa Lowe's.
The only thing they're lacking is help.
Wala silang mga ano.
In the Philippines, if you go there, they always gonna ask you if you need help.
Yeah.
Here, you gotta look for them. They're not looking for you. You're looking for them. So, dito kasi wala sila masyadong tauhan. Mahira lang magkaroon ng tauhan dito. Yung pagkakailangan mo, hahanapin mo talaga. Diba? Finally, mga kachupa, pauwi na kami. Ang nabili lang namin, hindi namin nahanap yung takip sa AC. So, bumili ako ng rope para sa aking plants. Tapos, ito yung hinahanap namin candle. So, ngayon pauwi na kami. Napagod ako. Mahigit 2 hours kami naglakad. So, okay na rin mag-exercise, diba? So, later, baka mag-jogging kami. Wait, where's the car? I forgot. That guy's going the wrong way. It's not supposed to be going this way. This way goes. This goes wrong. Because all these, the way the lines are, that's how you know which way to go. The lines are this way, you go that way. If the lines are going that way, it comes back this way. Some people, they didn't know. See, like this, they only go over here. see both lines going like this, that means you can go this way. It's better if they show the arrow here, but they don't. So some people, they don't pay attention.
Yeah. Uwi na kami. So, papasok na yung aming sasakyan. Nandito na kami sa bahay. So, for today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ikabit ng aking asawa yung mailbox niya. Praning ako. Kasi yung sasakyan namin, naglaro yung asawa ko ng binibiro niya ako na pinipreno-preno yung yung sasakyan na bubisit ako pag ganun ako. Na-high blood ako bubisit talaga ako. So, ayun lang yung nabili na. Tignan mo yung kaba ng puso ko. Parang my heart is still beating. So.
You didn't like the adrenaline?
Yeah, I don't like
it's okay.
it.
Yeah, I'll make you feel better. You're very safe and free. Don't worry, okay?
Kaya talagang yung kids nga daw kasi gusto nga yung ginaganon. Ako ayoko ng ganun. Feeling ko matanda na ako. Where is the box?
It's in the garage. I'm coming back out to work on it.
Okay, let's go inside first.
So my tools are there, so I left it open.
So, nandito na kami sa bahay. Ito yung nabili naming candle. Lee, turn it on. Let's try.
Alright.
Ay, yung ganda. Pulito ka.
Can you reach it?
You
Here,
can.
I'll do it since you're holding the camera.
It's very small.
Well, when it's dark, you'll be able to see better.
Oh, diba?
Yeah, right now you can't really see it, but when it's dark, you'll be able to see better.
Okay.
They have the tall ones, but the tall one is just too tall.
Yeah.
It's too long, so that one is just the only small one. But if you want it to be tall, I guess you can always use something to put under there.
Yeah.
But at nighttime, you'll be able to see better. It's just now. I guess you won't know till it's nighttime. Once you set it, then you don't have to touch it again. It'll turn on and off by itself. So,
Okay, thank you, baby.
Okay, now the mailbox.
Okay, now the mailbox. Let's go outside. Stay there. Stay there. Huwag kang gaya-gaya. Papampang ka. Ang cute tumakbo. It's big.
It's okay.
It's
It's
okay.
normal size.
Yay! Meron na tayong new mailbox. So, ikakabit ng asawa ko yung aming mailbox. I got some chair.
It's a small chair.
Ito, no? I can see it. Here. Nalukot na.
Okay.
Hey. Should put that one first.
Yeah.
Please hold it.
This?
Ah.
It's a little bit loose. Here, try it. I'll adjust it once I get it from the ground. Okay.
Na natin kung saan ilalagay. Not there!
On it here? But the bike is there. You should have it there.
Why there?
Here?
Here, Obi.
In front of the bike?
Yeah, in front of this.
This?
No, in front.
Behind it?
No, is that like this, oh? Like that.
Oh, alongside this.
Yeah. Am I correct?
I guess. I mean, okay. Now, when you have time, you should clean this up too.
Yeah. It's very hard. Yay! Finally. Yeah.
Here?
Yes.
Like this?
Yes. Yan. Perfect na yung aming bahay. Ito na lang wala. Baby, we have a design here but this one doesn't have a design.
Lots of plants over here.
You done?
Not yet.
Ayan, ang aming mailbox. You gonna remove that?
Yeah. Get the clean outside. Know how to clean it? Did you get it?
I think you should paint the black one.
No. Okay. Don't really need it. It's only if like you don't want to drop your mail off at the postal office. You put it in here, and then you do this, and the mailman picks it up. Well, chances are it will because it's metal, but it'll be okay for a while.
Ayan, buksan natin. Yan, pagka may mga papers, dito na ilalagay. So, matibay din pala, hindi siya mauuga ng hangin. Pero ito talaga yung cute eh. O, diba? Dami na natin kamatis. May pangsinigang na tayo. Kangkong, kamatis, bell pepper.
Good here.
Yan.
The green bell pepper is growing. And now your plant can stand again.
Meron pa akong patubong isa oh.
You know, you're supposed to stick this into the ground. But, you know, if it works this way, it's fine too.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. This end goes into the ground.
Oh, yeah. I was opposite then.
Yeah. That's okay. I mean, if it works, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
It's supposed to, these are supposed to help the plant stand straight.
Yeah.
The previous owner have it here, so I don't use it, and I just put it in there. So now that you're here, you can make use of it.
Okay, let's go inside.
House is getting more beautiful. Now the mailman doesn't have to walk over here. They just go there.
Maganda na po ang aming bahay. Papasok na kami. Maybe I'm planning to buy fake plants and put it here.
Put it where?
Here.
No, I don't think you should. Well, I guess you could. Maybe one here and one here.
Yeah.
As long as it's not so high where it blocks the camera here.
Yeah.
If it's just short down here, it's okay. But I think you should wait till your plants grow and then you just put it here.
The fake plants is better because
Yeah, well, yeah, you're right. Like
there's the snow. So, ayun na yung aming mailbox. Buksan natin na. Kiki! Oh, diba? Ang bilis niya, no? Pag tinawag mo siya, papasok agad din, no? Kiki, come here. Let's go to the living room. Kiki. Come here. Kiki. Kiki, ang cute naman ang kiking yan. Ang cute naman ang kiking bampot. Panghi. Let's go here. Let's play here. Tuwan-tuwa ang bagets, oh. Tingnan mo pagka nilalaro ko siya, ha? Yan. Yan ang gusto niyang laruan. Yan. Ayan. Maraming salamat mga kachupa sa panunood ng aming video. May panibagong video na naman tayo. Diba? So, maglaro muna kami ng aking alagang pusa nang matanggal-tanggal ang aking pagod. Diba? Maraming salamat po at maraming salamat din sa patuloy na pagsusubscribe sa aking video. Naway hindi po kayo mapagod.